Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So in one of my last slime videos, I showed you guys my mint chocolate chip butter souffle slime, and I also showed you guys this other really cool rice and egg DIY clay slime that I make and send out to people. And I told you guys if you gave me 25 likes, I would expose my butter slime recipe and make a video about this slime. And you know what, you guys gave me 20 likes and that made me pretty happy. So here we are, and I'm making a video about this slime. One of the reasons this slime is really cool is because it actually has fake rice. Like, I bought fake rice to use with this slime, and I think it's so awesome. And the little charm looks like a little egg on a bunch of rice. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like what you see, give this video a big thumbs up, and let me show you guys how I make this little DIY clay slime kit. So basically, this slime was inspired by every little kawaii egg I've ever seen, and it was also inspired by those little egg charms that you see, especially the one with the rice. And before we start, I am just gonna let you guys listen to some of the sizzles and pops of this slime because it is so awesome. So this is the base slime that I preferably use for this kit. It is very super thick and puffy and fluffy, and I absolutely love it. As you can see, it is super stretchy as well, but it is very super thick and holdable, and I love it. And then this right here is just some super light air dry clay, and I just roll it into a ball. Now when I send this kit out, I normally just send a little bag of air dry clay with it, and then the people can make their own little egg. But it's really easy. You just roll it up in your hand. And then this is the fake rice, you guys, that you sprinkle on, and it's okay, don't worry about it if any of it like falls, because you can just grab that up with your slime after. And then here we have some yellow mylar glitter, and this was actually an idea that I just had, so I haven't sent this out in the past, but I will be in the future because I think it looks so pretty, you guys. Look at that. And then this is some fine glitter, and it is yellow, of course, to match with the whole egg theme. Now if you want, you can also use black glitter to represent pepper, and you can also use green sprinkles, you know, to represent like green toppings in the egg, you know. And then here we have what brings it all together, and this is what actually inspired me to make this slime in the first place. These adorable little egg charms from AliExpress, and it actually looks like the little egg yolk is sitting right on the rice. I love it, you guys. Oh my goodness, so here we are. This is the finished DIY egg and rice clay slime. I love it so much. I think it's so awesome. And well, we still get to mix it in, of course. But yeah, you guys, what do you think? Comment below. And now we get to mix in our slime. And you guys, this is so cute. Honestly, I kind of didn't want to mix it, but at least I got some great pictures. So here we go. And this is where I had the brilliant idea that just for the aesthetic of the video, I would put on a second piece of clay, but I would definitely not recommend this because this slime actually has foam beads in it, and of course it has the rice, and if you put too much clay in a slime you will end up with fallout. But it was really fun to mix in. And this is always my favorite part, but as you guys are gonna see, the second piece of clay just really did something to the slime, to the texture that I wasn't a fan of. It's still stretchy and everything. It's just not the fluffy butter slime that it was intended to be. Well, I ended up having to add in more slime just to avoid fallout, but it did end up turning into a great texture. And look at that, you guys. I love watching clay mix into slime. It is just so satisfying. And just like that, the texture is transformed and you end up with this super soft, super sizzly, super inflating, and super satisfying butter slime. It's super fluffy and puffy, and I absolutely love this recipe. I'm definitely gonna have to write it down because I never write down my recipes and I have such a terrible memory. I always forget, so I'm having to come up with new ones every time and it can get a little bit frustrating, but they usually turn out okay, so that's a good thing. Anyway, you guys, here is the finished product. Honestly, I think I am gonna make this slime over into a banana cream pie slime. What do you think? Oh, and also this is scented like bananas and cream, just in case you were wondering. So that's it for today's video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like what you see, give this video a big thumbs up, turn on those notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.